Hey there, welcome back to our channel. We all know plastic pollution is a huge problem facing our planet right now. And while reducing our consumption of single-use plastics is important, did you know that every single one of us uses plastic items that are thrown away after just one use? From the bags we use to carry our groceries to the bottles we drink from. When it comes to storing leftovers, most people reach for plastic wrap or microwave-safe takeaway box, whether it's grabbing a quick lunch at work or running a picnic at the park. Plastic forks and spoons have become a convenient go-to option. It allows consumers to purchase the products they need in large quantities at a lower price per unit. This can be especially beneficial for non-perishable items that are frequently used, such as grains, beans, and nuts. On one hand, it helps preserve the freshness and quality of the produce, extending its shelf life and reducing waste. But the good news is that there are plenty of easy swaps that can cut down on this kind of waste. By making small changes in our daily lives, we can all do our part to protect the planet and ensure a healthier future for generations to come. So, why wait? Start making a difference today. Every small choice adds up. Start with one change today and help reduce single-use plastic waste for a cleaner planet. Thank you for watching. Do you forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below to let us know your ideas on what we can improve. Your feedback is very important to us and helps us create more videos like this. See you next time. However, on the other hand, it contributes to plastic pollution and is harmful to the environment. If you're concerned about the environmental impact of plastic wrap produce, there are some simple steps you can take to reduce your consumption of single-use plastic. First, you can choose to buy unpackaged produce whenever possible. Many grocery stores now offer loose fruits and vegetables, allowing you to avoid plastic bags and wraps altogether. You can also opt for paper or cardboard packaging when available, as these materials are more eco-friendly. If you can't find unpackaged produce, then try to reuse the plastic bags and wraps when possible. For example, you can use plastic bags to store leftovers or organize items in your refrigerator. Additionally, you can wash and reuse plastic produce bags for future grocery trips. Finally, consider supporting local farmers markets and community-supported agriculture programs. These options typically have less plastic packaging and prioritize sustainable and eco-friendly practices. By taking these steps, you can reduce your consumption of single-use plastic while still enjoying the convenience and quality of fresh produce. By buying in bulk, consumers can avoid the cost and waste associated with multiple individual packages. However, it is important to note that buying in bulk is always the most sustainable option, as it often involves larger packages and more resources for storage and transportation. Therefore, it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons before deciding whether to buy in bulk. One way to reduce the environmental impact of buying in bulk is to bring your own containers to the store. This can help avoid the use of single-use plastic bags and packaging, making it a more eco-friendly option. Overall, buying in bulk can be a great way to save money and reduce waste. But it's essential to consider the environmental impact and take steps to mitigate any negative effects. However, plastic cutlery has a detrimental effect on the environment, and we must find a better way. One area where we can make a significant impact is in the bathroom. Traditional bar soaps are not only more sustainable, but also free of plastic packaging, making them a great alternative to liquid soaps and plastic bottles. Handmade bar soaps are crafted with natural ingredients such as coconut oil, shea butter, and essential oils. These soaps are not only better for the environment, but also free of harmful chemicals and synthetic fragrances. Additionally, bar soaps last longer than their liquid counterparts and require no plastic packaging, further reducing their environmental impact. For shampoo bars are a fantastic option. They eliminate the need for plastic bottles and are often made with natural ingredients that are better for your hair and scalp. You can also consider using refillable glass bottles for your toiletries. This way, you can purchase your favorite products in bulk and avoid the plastic waste associated with multiple single-use bottles. By making small changes in the bathroom, you can reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a healthier planet. Fortunately, there is a simple and eco-friendly solution: reusable cutlery. With reusable cutlery, you'll never have to worry about using single-use plastic again. It's a small change that can make a big difference in reducing waste and protecting the planet. If you're looking for a durable and reliable set of reusable cutlery, consider investing in a bamboo or metal set. Bamboo is a fast-growing and sustainable material that is naturally antimicrobial, making it perfect for food contact. Meanwhile, metal cutlery is timeless and can be reused countless times. Additionally, many manufacturers offer sets that come with carrying cases, making it easy to transport your cutlery with you on the go. By switching to reusable cutlery, you'll not only be reducing waste, but also saving money and avoiding harmful chemicals. However, these items are not only harmful for the environment, but they also pose potential health risks due to the presence of harmful chemicals. Fortunately, there are some EC2SO alternatives. Glass containers are an excellent option, as they are non-reactive and won't leach chemicals into your food. They also tend to last longer than plastic wrap and can be reused multiple times. Another great alternative is using beeswax wraps. These reusable wraps are made from cotton fabric coated with beeswax, making them a natural and sustainable option for storing food. They are perfect for covering bowls or wrapping sandwiches and snacks. Additionally, you can also invest in high-quality, stainless steel food storage containers. These containers are airtight and liquid-tight, making them ideal for storing anything from dry goods to soups and stews. They're also dishwasher and freezer safe, making them incredibly convenient to use. By switching to reusable food containers, you'll not only be reducing waste, but also protecting your health and showing your commitment to a greener future. But the good news is that there are plenty of easy swaps that can cut down on this kind of waste, making life a bit easier for Mother Earth. Let's take a look at how you can start using less single-use plastics today. Plastic bags. You may already be aware that single-use plastic bags have a significant negative impact on the environment. The production of these bags requires fossil fuels, and they end up polluting landfills and even our oceans once they rediscard it. The good news is that avoiding plastic bags is actually pretty simple. All you need to do is remember to bring your own reusable shopping bag with you when you go to the store. There are many different types of reusable bags available, so you're sure to find one that fits your needs. You can use canvas totes, which are durable and stylish, or you can opt for more eco-friendly options like those made from recycled materials or bamboo. You can also get creative and use an old backpack or suitcase if you really want to. Some stores even offer discounts to customers who bring their own bags, so you can save money while doing something good for the environment. It might seem like a small step, but every little bit counts. Switching to reusable bags will not only reduce waste, but also send a message to companies that we demand more sustainable practices. Carry a reusable water bottle. Another single-use plastic that plagues our planet is the plastic water bottle. Not only are these bottles bad for the environment, but they can also be harmful to our health, as they often contain harmful chemicals such as BPA. There is a simple solution to this problem: carrying your own reusable water bottle. There are many different types of reusable bottles available, so you're sure to find one that meets your needs. Stainless steel bottles are an excellent option as they are durable and don't retain flavors or odors. Plus, they keep your drinks cold or hot for hours. Other options include BPA-free plastic bottles, which are lightweight and often come with filters to remove impurities in the water. No matter what type of bottle you choose, you'll be doing your part to protect the environment by reducing waste and saving energy. So, ditch the disposable plastic bottles and make the switch to a reusable one today. Your wallet and the planet will thank you for it. Use reusable food containers. Say goodbye to plastic cutlery. Many of us have become accustomed to using disposable plastic cutlery when eating on the go. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk is becoming an increasingly popular way to save money and reduce waste. Switch to bar soaps. As we strive to live more environmentally friendly lives, it's important to consider the products we use in our daily routines. Avoid plastic-wrapped produce. The use of plastic-wrapped produce is a common practice in supermarkets that has both benefits and drawbacks. Your choice matters. Every single one of us uses plastic items that are thrown away after just one use. These single-use plastics harm the environment.